Hi students, welcome back to the class. See, today we are in the class of grade 10 mathematics and we are learning quadratic equation and day 4. So this will be the last class for this topic. See, in the quadratic equations, so far we have learned what is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation should be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. And to solve this one, we have taken like a quadratic formula method, squaring middle terms, and next one graphical method I have supposed to show you. See, I'll take one question, graphical method. Then we will do, look at this one, how to solve the graphical method. Here, x square minus x is equal to 0. X square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. See, if you do that, what is the roots? X minus 3 into x plus 2 is equal to 0.
Zero.
When x minus 3 is equal to 0, then x equal to 3, then x equal to minus 2. It means here x value 3 and minus 2 we got it. Now I'm going to plot it this one. Okay. See, at first, before plotting this one, the given equation, I'm going to take it as y. Y is equal to x square minus x minus 6. See,
Yes,
minus
sir.
x square minus x minus 6. Then I have to take the values. See how to do this one. So let me take x values, my own wish. Anything I can take it because that given y variable and x variable, y is called dependent, x is called independent. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
say that is up to you. How many lines is required? You can take it because the calculations, how slowly, how fastly you are doing, that is depends upon you. Yeah. Now, first I'm taking as x values. I'm taking now x values at first. X. Then I can go for x square. Then I can go for x square minus x minus 6. That's up to you. Up to you. Then I'm taking 0, 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2. Vaibhav, are you understanding? If you do not understand, let me know.
Yes, sir.
See, I'm taking the values. Just okay. Now, when I'm taking x minus 2 minus 1, so this will be 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9. Am I right, ma?
Yes, sir.
Still, if you want one clarity, what you can do, minus x, we can take it. So let me take minus x also, no issue. Yeah. So you take it minus x, minus x. Then it is 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 9. So minus 3. The next one you can take for our convenience. I'm telling you, this is your comfortability. I can finish with the 3 rows itself. This is your comfortability. You are extending. Okay. Next one should be minus 6 everywhere. So minus 6, which is totally minus 6 only I'm taking. Now, here is x square minus x minus 6. It means, what do you have to write it? X square, it is y is equal to x square minus x minus 6. It means x square we got it, minus x we got it, minus 6 we got it. So if you add all this, do the addition. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Got it, ma? So when you are taking -2, you are getting 0. So first row, last row, you please take it -2, 0. Are you clear? Vaibhav?
Yes, sir.
Then you should addition. You should do addition 1 plus 1, 2. 2 minus 6 minus 4. So -1 comma -4. And 0, 0 and -6. So 0 comma -6. Then 1 minus 1 cancel. So -6 is answer. So 1 comma -6. Then 4 -8. So -4. So 4 comma -4. Then here -9 plus 9, 0. So you can write it 3 comma 0. So now with these values, I'm going to do it now. X dash, Y dash. So then marking is up to you, but we don't have the scale. So I'm taking roughly 4, 5, 6, 7. It's enough. X values -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4. Right? 2, right? Right. 2 comma -4. So then you take this side also negative values up to which -1, -2. Are you understanding, Vaibhav?
Yes, sir.
X dash -1, -2. Then y values you see here 0, -4, -6, -6, -4, 0. So then it is going down only totally. Then you have to extend this side also. I'm going to extend it. Please extend it. This is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Then what are the values? We got it -2 comma 0. So please take it -2 comma 0. Please mark it -2 comma 0. And another one -1 comma -4 will be here. So -1 comma -4 and 0 comma -6. 0 comma -6 will be here. And another point 1 comma -6 will be here. 1 comma -6 and 2 comma -4 will be here. And next point 3 comma 0 will be here. Got it, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what I'm going to do to show perfect figure, I'm taking oval shape now, but here no. Okay, I'm taking now big one oval. Okay, I'll take normal hand. This is a graph. Got it, ma? So this is a graph.
Yes, sir.
Now it is intersecting the x-axis at two distinct points. So therefore, it has two real and distinct roots. Two real and distinct. And also next, one thing we have to see, the graph is open upwards. So now I'm going to talk about the characteristics of the graph. So this is called as parabola. Bowl shape, parabola, Greek word. Okay, parabola. So from the two words it has come. Then here, x square, the question it is x square minus x minus 6 equals 0. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Now, when you compare a value is 1, it means which is positive value. Positive in the sense greater than 0. So, where a greater than 0, the graph open upwards, open upwards. When the value of a which is less than 0, if value of a less than 0, the graph will be open downwards. So depend upon the a value, the graph will be open upwards or open downwards. We can decide it. Depend upon the a value. A value positive, the graph will be open upwards. A value less than 0, it is open downwards. Next, how many roots are there? So the roots are real and distinct. Here, wherever it is intersecting the x-axis, based on that we can define that how many roots are there. For suppose here also, if you see, I have done roughly. Here it is intersecting the x-axis at 2 distinct points. So here also roots in real and distinct. And next one more thing. If you take a graph, if the graph intersecting the x-axis at only one point, but this is a curve, that is a parabola. So whenever it's a parabola, please remember, compulsory it has 2 roots. 2 roots will be there. Then here it is intersecting the x-axis at only one point. So the roots are real and equal. And here a value greater than 0. That's why this is open upwards. So our open upwards a greater than 0. Next, another case, if the graph is not even touching the x-axis, you forget about it is intersecting the y-axis. Like this, another case. Forget about it. So it is intersecting the y-axis, but it is not even touching x-axis. So then what you could say, no real roots are there.
Okay, sir.
So very, very important. I'm giving you, this is IIT Foundation level content basis. No real roots are there. So a greater than 0. And this is totally we are talking a greater than 0 only. But here when we are talking about the number of roots, here number of roots will be 2 will be there. But the 2 roots are real and equal. Here no real roots, but roots will be there. Because it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So remember, what is the degree of the polynomial? Whatever, degree is 2. So definitely it has 2 roots. The 2 roots are, one is real and distinct. Another one, real and equal. Another one, no real roots. He's telling that no real roots only he's telling, but he's not telling no roots. No real roots, no roots, both are different. No real roots, no, what are roots will be there? Imaginary, 2 imaginary roots will be there. These imaginary words we are not going to use in the 10th standard level. This will come in the, again grade 11. So in the complex number concept, it will become like. So now we have learned it. Now what you have learned it, how to plot the graph and how many roots are there, and how the graph will be open upwards, open downwards. Okay. Now if you see here, there, like for example, this point is called vertex. Vertex. This concept, especially, I can tell you where, like in physics, it will become. If you project a body on a horizontal plane, the body it will definitely pass through like one parabolic shape. Parabolic shape. For example, a ball was hit by a cricket batsman. Definitely, it is going to the 6 or 4. Definitely, it will go up due to the gravitational force. It will be come down. So when it is coming down, so at one point, what happens? The speed from here, the initial speed 0, initial velocity will be 0. Then at one point, the final velocity will become 0. At final velocity from there, again it is going to be come down. The initial velocity is going to be increases. So whatever, that is different. Now this where the final velocity is going to be increased, that is called h maximum. H maximum. That is u square by 2g formula. See, u square by 2g, using this one we are going to do this. So now it is comes to the mathematics. What is this called as? This is called as vertex. See, vertex. This vertex, this parabola is open downwards. When it's open downwards, we are learned it a less than 0. A less than 0. Now, here this concept, how to find this vertex? The formula vertex, please make a note. The formula is minus b by 2a, comma minus d by 4a. minus b by 2a comma minus d by 4a. This is a formula. This formula, it is not in your textbook. This is like R.D. Sharma, any other reference books, it will be there. So to find the vertex, we need the formula minus b by 2a minus d by 4a. What is d? D stands for discriminant. Discriminant b square minus 4ac. So if you know this formula, then we can directly find out where that vertex possibility. Otherwise, in 12th standard, when you are going to learn, we are going to do the differentiation concept. Then we are trying to find out where it is has maximum, minimum values. So that is entirely different. But without of those things, now we can tell it minus b by 2a comma minus d by 4a using this formula. We can tell the vertex clearly. So now we have learned this much content. See, first of all, I have shown that one. See, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 represents a quadratic equation. We have the methods to solve that, splitting middle terms and quadratic formula already we learned it. And next one, graphical method. So this is a graphical method. See here the coefficient of x square is positive. It's clear on cross checking. Here coefficient of x square greater than 0. Therefore, the graph is open upwards. Are you clear? Vaibhav? Are you clear, Vaibhav?
Yes, sir.
So you have understood, right, the depth of the content now?
Yes, sir.
Right. So please make a note of all these formulas and things. If you couldn't make a note, at least take the screenshot. Right.
Sir, I have written it.
Okay, fine. No issues. Now, I'm going to the textbook part. See, that day we have learned it actually, the roots to find the roots of my b square minus 4ac characteristic. B square minus 4ac greater than 0, b square minus 4ac less than 0, and b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. We have done it. Now coming to this last exercise from your textbook. Say this, what is that? What we have learned? B square minus 4ac, this one and all. This is called nature of the roots. We have learned already in the last class. Right. Find the discriminant of this one. Already we have learned a discriminant, b square minus 4ac. Where b square minus 4ac, when we got it minus 8, it means which is less than 0. Which is less than 0, no real roots are there. No real roots. Got it, ma?
Yes, sir.
Now look at this one. A pole has to be erected at a point on the boundary of a circular park of diameter 13 meter. Here the pole is like erected means standing position. Now 13 meters in such a way that the differences of the distances from the diametrically opposite fixed gates A and B on the boundary is 7 meters. So what is trying to say? In such a way that the differences of its distances from two diametrically opposite these 2 points. So from the P point, if you take the distances, the difference between them is 7 meters. If it is possible, is it possible to do so? Is it possible? Is asking. So let us think of AP BP. So now what is saying that BP is X meters. AP will be X plus 7. Okay. Got it, ma?
Yes, sir.
Now we could apply the Pythagoras theorem. So when you apply the Pythagoras theorem, what is that? Angle APB is here 90 degrees. It is 90. So when it is 90, we could apply the Pythagoras theorem. What is that? Hypotenuse square, that is 13 square, that is AB square, which is equal to AP square plus BP square. So AP square plus BP square is equal to AB square. Are you clear, ma? So now
Yes,
the question it is, he is asking to possible, is it possible? Is it possible? First of all, we have to make the equation, or we have to construct the equation. After constructing the equation, then we have to check for the discriminant. Now, after doing that one, we got it x square plus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. Now we have to answer for that. Is it possible? Is it possible? Right? If you forget that answer to write, is it possible? Yes, it is possible, or no, it is possible. If you do not write it, 1 mark unnecessarily, you will lose it. So compulsory, Yes or no, you're supposed to write it. How to check it out? We have to check it out discriminant. The discriminant formula, b square minus 4ac. Are you clear? The discriminant formula, b square minus 4ac. So b square means 7 square minus 4 into 1 minus 60, which is 289 positive. Right? So positive, right? Therefore, yes, it is possible. If it is less than 0, no, it is not possible. Got it? Now,
Yes, sir.
then we have to find the x values. Then you use the quadratic formula or something else. Then you can find it. They got it x value 5. So one length is 5. Another length is 5 plus 7, 12. Are you clear? Are you clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Then here, find the discriminant. First of all, you try to write ax square plus bx plus c. You can do one thing. You can simplify. How to do? You can take the LCM 3. 3 into 3, 9x square. 3 into 2, minus 6x plus 1, which is equal to 0. Then 9x square minus 6x plus 1 is equal to 0. Please compare with ax square plus bx plus c. Now, so when you compare, a value it will be 9, b value will be minus 6, c value will be 1. So then you can apply the formula b square minus 4ac. You apply, please. So b square minus 4ac, if you get greater than or equal to 0 only, greater than or equal to 0, either greater than or equal to 0. If it comes, then we can find the roots. If less than 0, then immediately you can write no real roots are possible. Now, see is equal to 0. So it has equal roots. Equal roots to find the formula minus b by 2a minus b by 2a. It means if you plot it, definitely intersecting the like x-axis at only one point. But these two, it has two. So, but what we are supposed to take it, these two are equal. Clear? Are you clear, ma? Are you
Yes,
clear, ma?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Right. Next one. So, find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. If the real roots are existed, find them. So, can you do one question? This question, 2x square minus 3x plus 5, to find the nature of the roots. So, first of all, please compare with ax square plus bx plus c. What is the a value, Gautam? Vaibhav, a value.
Sir, 2.
B
Sir,
value.
B is 3 and C is 5.
Discriminant value. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac, or d is equal to b square minus 4ac. B square minus 3 whole square.
Sir, 9 minus 4, 2, 5. 9,
Yes, 4 to the 8 5 is 40.
8 5 is 40.
Minus 31 less than 0.
Minus 35.
Now, can you comment roots are existent, not no real roots, sir?
Yes, sir.
What do you have to write? What you
No
can,
real roots.
why?
Sir, because roots are not in a negative form.
No. No real roots because the discriminant is less than 0.
It is less than 0. It will make an imaginary these
Right.
things.
See, you may get an idea, sir. Why, if it is minus 31 less than 0, why, sir? See, the quadratic formula actually it says that x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Got it? So x is equal to minus b plus or minus something we got negative. This value is negative. Negative some 30. Negative 36 you take it. 2a. What is square root of negative 36? What is the square root of negative 36? Square root of 36 is plus or minus 6. But what is square root of minus 36?
Sir, minus root 6.
Minus cannot be taken out in real.
Okay, sir.
When you take it out, what happens, minus b plus or minus this minus 1 into root 36, they will write it by 2a. Then minus b plus or minus square root of minus 1 will they will take I for imaginary, iota into 6 by 2a like that. But iota it is not in real numbers. This is in complex numbers. So that's why they are saying that no real roots are existed. Are you clear?
Yes.
This is the reason they are saying that no real roots and they are stopping this.
Okay, sir. So it means that when any negative roots come, it will make the question complex.
Yeah, complex roots.
Okay, sir.
They will go to the complex imaginary roots. It will go to the separate number system. Actually, our number
Okay, sir.
system will have natural numbers, then after that whole numbers, then after that integers, then after that rationals and irrationals, then after that real. People they thought real is the last, but after real there is another one. Complex numbers we have. Okay, so that complex numbers we are supposed to. Got it? Maybe in future some other system may become. So might become. Next. So you got it right? Got an idea right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now I'm going to the second question. Now find the values of k for which the following quadratic equations so that they have equal roots. What is the condition for equal roots? You have to do this question. I'll do this question. See, equal roots condition discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac, which should be equal to 0. Am I right, ma? Now please open this one. When you open this one, it will come kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Am I right, ma? Am I right, ma? So then this please compare with ax square plus bx plus c. Now a value, which is a value as k. B value is minus 2k. C value as 6. Now please write it. D is equal to b square, which is minus 2k whole square, 4 into k into 6, which is equal to 0. Then 4k square minus 24k, which is equal to 0. Now 4k we can take it out common. K minus 6 is equal to 0. Then using the null factor law, 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 equal to 0. Then what you could say, k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 6. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So we got a k value. Can you do this one?
Yes, sir.
Please do it. Same way, we have to compare with ax square plus bx plus c.
Sir, k minus 24 is coming after.
1 second, I'll help you.
Discrimination method. After discrimination, it is coming.
So we have to compare with the ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then discriminant formula, b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0, right? So which is k square minus 4 into 2 into 3. Am I right, ma? Then k square minus 4 to the 8, 3 is 24. Then k square is equal to 24. K is equal to plus or minus root 24. and k is equal to plus or minus what I could write 2 root 6. Am I right, ma? Am I right, ma?
Yes, sir.
Right? So this way. Now coming back to this content. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is 5 to split? Okay, I'll help you one or two questions. Another question you are supposed to do it. These two I'll make it. The first question. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length, see, rectangular, is it a rectangular mango groove? See, obviously, please take it. The what I said it breadth is x because length depend upon the breadth. So length will be 2x because this is length, this will be breadth, as we know generally. Now area is equal to what you could say length into breadth. So area which is 800 is equal to length is 2x, breadth is x. Then when you take it 2x square is equal to 800, we can write it like this, no problem. 2 table, if you do cancellation, x square is equal to 400. Then x is equal to square root of 400. Right? Then x is equal to, we will get it 20. So this is 20 and this will be 40. Have you understood, man?
Yes, sir.
Find its length and breadth. Right? Is it possible? Actually, he's asking. So is it possible when he's asking? Then we are supposed to go for that. We have to verify also. How to verify? From here, we have to verify. See, it will be written as x square minus 400 is equal to 0. Then please, you have to find the discriminant. Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Say b square, when you compare with your ax square plus bx plus c, b value is 0 because there is no x term. So it is 0 square minus 4 into a for 1, c for minus 400. So minus into minus plus 1600. 1600 is greater than 0. Yes, it is possible. Very clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is a way of doing first. Next, another set of questions. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine the percentages. Okay, what is the percentages? The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. So now ages, when it comes to that ages, so friend A, friend B. So we are talking of at present. So one friend is X years, another friend is 20 minus X years. Got it, ma? 4 years ago. It means
Yes,
we
sir.
have to go for back. It means past. So when you go for past, 4 years ago, it will become X minus 4. And from here 20, in that 4 you have to subtract, then it becomes 16 minus X. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
So then by the term, what is it? The product of these ages. The product of these ages, what will be happen? See, X minus 4 into 16 minus X, which is equal to, what I could say? The product of these ages is 48. Correct?
Yes.
One second, man. So can you simplify? What do you got it, man?
Sir, I have got minus 48.
No, equation. I want the equation. Equation. First, you have to open the brackets, right? X into 16 minus 6. Please open.
Yes, sir.
Minus 4 into 16 minus 6, which is equal to 48. Got it? Then open the bracket. X into 16, 16x. Minus x squared minus 64 plus 4x, which is equal to 48, right? Then 16x plus 4x, 20x minus x squared minus 64, which is equal to 48. Here minus x squared. Better you carry this all the terms to other side. So when you carry this side, it will be 0. 48
Yes, sir.
plus x squared minus 20x plus 64.
Yes, sir.
Then what you will get the
Yes,
equation
sir.
now? X squared minus 20x plus 112. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Now the question actually is, what is the following situation possible? So we have to check it out. So compare with ax squared plus bx plus c. Then you have to find the discriminant. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. So b square, which is minus 20 whole squared minus 4 into a into 112. 400 minus how much? 448. Is it correct now?
Yes, sir.
So what are you getting now?
Sir, minus 48.
Minus 48 is what?
Lesser than 0.
So now is the situation is possible?
No, sir.
No.
It will be become complex situation.
So it is a complex situation. So this case is not possible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So got it?
Yes, sir.
No doubt in the right?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So now so far what you have learned it? Fine. Now, so we have learned it. Discriminant is greater than 0, less than 0, is equal to 0. So it's a concept and all we have learned it. Got it, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
So this topic has completed actually from your textbook has completed. Now we'll go for next. So some other different type of questions will go off. Okay. Now we'll go for this one. So far we have done that model. Now we'll go for this model. Selectively some questions will take it. 1, 6th, 8th will take it. Additional questions. We are doing already that first question, right? This no need. So this will do later. After finishing that one. Got it, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, see, first of all, what is said that it has real roots. So whenever it has real roots, compare with ax squared plus bx plus c. So what is the a value from here? What is the a value? A is equal to k minus 12.
8 k minus 12.
B is
B
equal
is
to
equal to k minus 12.
into k minus 12. Then c is equal to 2, right?
2. Yes, sir.
What is it? Roots are? Roots
Yes,
are?
sir.
Roots? What
Yes,
about the roots?
sir.
Like equal
Yes,
roots.
sir.
Equal roots. What you could say? Discriminant b square minus 4ac, which is equal to 0. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes.
Am I right, ma'am? So b square. It means what you can write it 2 into k minus 12 whole square. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
minus 4 into k minus 12 into 2, which is equal to 0. Now try to open the bracket. 4 into k minus 12 whole square minus 4 into k minus 12 into 2, which is equal to 0. Am I right, ma?
Yes, sir.
Now, when you take it this one, actually you are supposed to open this one and you have to simplify again. You are supposed to find the roots. But luckily, if you see here, 4 into k minus 12 is common from the both.
Yes, sir.
Then when you take it out, what is left here? K minus 12, then minus 2. Am I right, ma?
Yes, sir.
Then see when what you can write it 4 into k minus 12 into k minus 14, which is equal to 0. Now see here, this the product of them equal to 0. So it means when the product is equal to 0, a into b into c is equal to 0. Either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0 or c is equal to 0. Condition this is. Now if you take this condition, here 4 cannot be 0. That you cannot take it because 4 cannot be equal to 0. Then k minus 12 is equal to 0. Am I right, ma? Then k is equal to 12.
Yes, sir.
K minus 14 is equal to 0. Then k is equal to 14. Are you clear? So the question it is that
Yes.
find the values of k. What is the values of k? 12 or 14. Got it, Vaibhav?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the
Sir,
question,
1 minute.
yes, what happened? Do you want to make a note?
Yes, sir. For only only last two.
Last two lines. Okay, make it.
Sir, done.
You have done it. Very good. So no doubt in this line.
No, sir.
So you are thorough. You have understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going for the next one. So which you have taken already. The roots of this equation. Additional question. If the roots of the equation are equal, so these are equal, then how to do? See the condition b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. That we know that. Are you clear, ma? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Now, say the condition. So compare with whatever, just compare with, you please compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Please compare. So when you compare, you might confuse, but please take it, no issue. A is equal to a minus b. This is a comparison. Please don't solve it. And b value, which is b minus c, and c value, which is c minus c. Got it, ma?
Yes, sir.
Now roots are equal. What is the condition roots? Equal b square minus 4ac, which is equal to 0. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Then please write it b square value in a sense. You please write it. It becomes b minus c whole square. 4 into a minus b into c minus a is equal to 0. Then please expand it now. B square plus c square minus 2bc 4 into, please open a into c minus a and minus b into c minus a, which is equal to 0. Got it?
Yes.
B square plus c square minus 2bc minus 4 into, you multiply ac minus a square minus bc plus ab. Got it, ma? Got it,
Yes,
children?
sir.
Right. Okay. Now please open that one. B square plus C square minus 2BC minus 4AC plus 4A square plus 4BC minus 4AB, which is equal to 0. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Now please try to simplify B square plus C square. I'm writing as 4A square front. Now minus 2BC plus 4BC. So plus 2BC, right?
Yes, sir.
Minus 4AC minus 4AB, which is equal to 0. Got it, Pranav? Sorry,
Yes, sir.
got it, Vaibhav?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then can I write it B whole square plus C whole square, then 2A whole square, then 2 into B into C plus 2 into, in this both what is common? Letter. What is a common letter?
Sir, sir, A.
A is common, right? So
Yes, sir.
2A into first one C, then 2 into 2A into B. But here we have minus, so that A will carry minus. Got it? So it is looking
Yes,
like
sir.
A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA, right?
Yes, sir.
So then what you can write in? A plus B plus C whole square. So it means B plus C, then minus 2A whole square. Am I right, ma? Is equal to 0. Then B plus C square, if you send it, minus 2A is equal to 0. Then B plus C is equal to 2A. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
So anybody have doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt, no, ma?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So we'll take another question now. So are you in the track? Are you understanding now?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So the questions are like this, ma. See, if the equation has equal roots, see the question has equal roots. Condition is what? Same thing. B square minus 4AC condition you have to apply. You apply and try to simplify this one. See, numerator, denominator, this type of questions and all we have solved it. So previously we have solved 2-digit number. This all we have solved it. A is relevant. The problems also speed, distance. Okay, next one question we will take it. Here's a question. Wait. Diamond work also we have done it. Reasoning based. Right. I'll take this one. At least 2 questions. Different one. Different one. At least one. In a class test, the sum of Ranjita marks in mathematics and English is 40. Actually, we have done it, but this is like a quadratic formula method. At least we'll do quadratic equation. Then after that, you know how to do this one. So in a class test, the sum of Ranjita's marks in mathematics and English. So let us score in maths, which is X. In English, which is 40 minus X.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
had she got 3 marks more in maths. So when she got more, so
Yes, sir.
it become x plus 3. Am I right? And 4 marks less in
Yes, sir.
English. 4 marks. It means from 40 you cut 4. So it become 36 minus x. Got it?
Yes, sir.
These are the new marks. The product of them. So the product x plus 3 into 36 minus x, which is equal to 360. Are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
That's all. See, up to here, if it is 3 mark question, it is 1 mark in your hand. Then multiply x into 36, 36x minus x square, 3 into 36, 108 minus 3x, which is equal to 360. Then please x square minus x square, 36 and 3, 33x, then 108, which is equal to 360. Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
please carry this all the other side. 0 is equal to x square minus 33x, 360 minus 108. How much?
Sir, 252.
Correct, right? So then you know how to do this one.
Yes, sir.
Splitting middle terms or any other method you can do it. Then after that you will get the x value from our x stands for maths, and the balance 20, what you have taken 40 minus x is English marks. Are you clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
now the body how we are doing, right? So if it is a 4 mark question, say up to here whatever you are doing, say totally 1 mark, and this is either 1 or 1.5. So 2.5 has gone. Now after that you are finding the solutions, then it is another half or 1 mark, and you are finding maths marks and English marks together is 1 mark. Say 1.5, 1.5, 3 plus 1, 4 marks in your hand. Up to here if you are do and you left it, that marks will be for you, 2.5 marks they will award it. You have done everything, but you did not write the last step, so you will get only 3 marks, 1 mark out. Got it? What are the general
Yes,
mistakes
sir.
you do? So you are not supposed to lose any step. Are you clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Next, another question. Out of number of Sarah's birds, okay, can you
Yes,
help
sir.
me? Can you help me? Yeah, I'm giving you a chance.
Sir, sir, can we take a number of birds be x square?
That's up to you. Whatever you are taking, that's up to you. But you have to
So
tell
we
me.
will take, sir, first we have to take number of birds be x square. Number two, we will take number of birds moving from lotus plant. X is equal to x square by 4. Number
Once,
of birds, next part. Yes, sir.
total number of birds you are taking x square. Total number of birds x square, right?
Yes, sir.
One second. Okay, lotus plants. 1/4 on the number are moving about
Sir, x square by x square by 4.
1/4 of the number are moving in about in lots. 1 by down like as well as 7 times square root of the number. Okay, fine. So they are moving to the lotus. All lots.
X square by.
Yes, it is x square by 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Then what happened?
Sir, number of birds coupled along. X square by 9.
So 1 by 9th coupled with 1 by 4th. So coupled is x square by 9, right?
X square by 9.
So
Sir,
1
that
by 9th coupled with x.
birds moving on hill will be 7 root x, 7 root x square.
Listen.
7x. It will be 7x. By
One fourth. Already x squared by 4.
yes,
Coupled with x squared by 9, coupled with what? 1 by 4. So again, this coupled with x squared by 4.
yes, sir.
Then 7 times the square root of the number. 7 times the square root means 7x, right?
Yes, sir. 7x.
Then how many left? 56, right?
Sir, 3 is 56.
Then total is equal number of boards x square, right?
Yes, sir.
So got it? Right. You are very good. You are doing well.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
X square is equal to, then you can write it x square by 9, x square by 4. So you have to simplify. So LCM is 4 9s are 36, right?
Yes, sir.
Then it is 9x square, then 4x square plus 9x square, which is equal to 7x plus 56. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then 9 4 13 13 9 22. So x square minus 22 x square by 36. Am I right, man?
Yes, sir.
Then do the LCM. 36 minus 22, 14x square divided by 36. So 2 7s are 2 18s are, which is equal to 7x plus 56. Then do the like 2x square is equal to 18 7s are 126x. Then 18 6 are 18 6 are 108, 18 5 is 90, 1008. Then two table cancel on both sides. So x square 63x 504. Sorry, this is not two table. Sorry, 7, right? I'm sorry. 7x square. I thought 2. Sorry.
Yes, sir, ma'am. Sir.
So 7x square. So 7x square minus 126x minus 1008, which is equal to 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you can simplify. 7 table it will go. 7 table if you do x square 7 18s are, then 14 7s are 98 4. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Then if you do the splitting middle terms, what will be the answer? X square minus 24x plus 6x minus 144. It means x minus 24 into x plus 6. Are you clear, man?
Yes, sir.
Then x equal to minus 6 cannot be taken. Then what is the number of x equal to 24? But we have taken what? Number of boards, we have taken x square, right?
Yes,
So how
sir.
many will be there? 24 in the sense, how many will be there? 24 square, right?
Yes, sir.
24 square, how much? 576.
576.
Number of boards will be 576.
576.
Are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
So then at final, the number of birds which is equal to 576. People, they will leave here itself. Then answer is out. Wrong. So have you understood now?
Yes, sir.
Right. So yeah, really you are doing well.
Thank you, sir.
See, already all the questions are the same thing. Okay, then this will take it one different model. So I'll give you how to do one idea.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Say if the list price of the toy reduced by 2. So at first of all, the list price. So list price is x rupees. Now reduced to x minus 2. Okay. Now number of toys.
Yes, sir.
Number of toys, how many we can suppose y. can buy 2 toys more. It is for y plus 2 for 360 rupees total amount. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Then, can you help me how to do? Okay, I'll tell you the situation. You have amount 360 rupees. So, I want to purchase toys. So,
Sir,
first
360
is
by X.
360 by X,
X.
360 by
X.
X minus 2,
X minus 2.
and another one,
Y plus 2.
more toys, right?
Yes, sir.
So, which is big? 360 by X minus 2 or 360 by X?
360 by X.
360 by X is smaller than this one.
Okay, sir.
Because I said you that day itself, if the denominator is negative, that will be more. So
Yes, sir.
360 by X minus 2 minus 360 by X, which is equal to 2. Then do
3.
cross multiplication, X into X minus 2.
Yes, sir.
Then 360 will take it out common. Then X minus X minus 2. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Then 360. Then open the bracket, XX cancel, it is 2. And 2 into X minus 2.
Yes, sir.
2 gets cancelled. Then what will
Yes,
be?
sir.
360 is equal to X square minus 2X.
Yes, sir.
X square minus 2X minus 360 is equal to 0. Then you can simplify.
Yes,
But if
sir.
it is down quadratic formula method, anything you can do it.
Yes, sir.
So you have done it. I think so. You understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Then the question is, what is the original price of the toy? So original X value, if you find is enough. Sometimes they'll ask you how many toys initially they like he bought it. Like that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So with this question, actually, then today's content and with the quadratic equation lesson has completed. Okay. In the next
Yes, sir.
class, I'm going to teach
Yes,
you
sir.
arithmetic progressions. So far
Okay,
we
sir.
have learned the nature of the roots and the quadratic formula method and the graphical method especially and the characteristics and with the graph how a greater than 0, a less than 0, we have done it. And also nature of the roots, everything we have learned it. And we have done it some application questions. And is it
Yes,
possible?
sir.
Is it possible? Such kind of questions also we have done it. These cases, then we have to check for b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 or not. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this and all we have done it. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.